Quite an overcast day today down here at Grimble Point. Really dark today. Does that deter the pelican? No. He's out having a bath. Look at him. Get up close to him. Morning, Pelican Pete. What you doing? Extreme close up. That's pretty cool. Alrighty. Mr. Pelican Pete. He just had a bath, Wombat.
Has he?
Yep.
What's he been up to?
He's had a little bath.
Oh, yeah?
Now he's just plucking. You know, doing bird stuff.
I see.
Tell you what, it really feels like winter today, doesn't it?
It's freezing cold, but
Yeah. Oh, I get these great ideas. Let's go for a walk in the cold wind. Yeah. Go Bubbles.
you just don't get.
Still nice though, sometimes just to get out of the house, isn't it?
Absolutely. Only 4 more weeks to spring.
I know, I'm counting the minutes. Not the days, the minutes. Give me the heat. So much more enjoyable when it's warm.
It is.
You know, sometimes that's why it's good to go for a drive on a winter day, because you crank the heater up, you're in the car, the sun's coming through the window.
Makes you feel like it's summer.
Gives you the illusion of summer until you get out and go, well, crap. It doesn't work outside, does it?
No.
Steven Seagulls. They're just chilling.
Chilling like little villains.
Now, we're going to get you up on a path, Mr. Wombat, because your knee's a bit fat. Get up on solid ground.
A miniature teepee.
I love how the locals do that. Everywhere you go, you see all these random teepees on the beach.
It's nuts, isn't it?
I think it's hilarious. Alrighty, might go see if we can find a seal. He's usually around here up on the peak.
Usually.
He's probably going, yes already, it's too damn cold today. I'd say this is the kiddies version of the teepee.
I'd say so.
Look at the size of it. Good on you fellas. Alright. Gonna go seal watching.